tiny learners.
Get ready for a tiny rocket with a big sneeze adventure.
Meet Sparky. He is a little rocket ready for a big adventure.
10, 9, 8, the countdown begins.
But wait, Sparky's nose is starting to tickle.
Achoo! The sneeze sent Sparky bouncing right past the moon. There he met his friend Nova the star.
Why are you zigzagging, Sparky? Nova asked.
I don't know, my nose just keeps... Achoo! Sparky bounced right off a giant bumpy comet. Boing! He landed on a planet that looked like a marshmallow. Nova giggled. You are a very bouncy rocket today.
Sparky wanted to say thank you, but...
Achoo!
He spun through the rocks like a flying kelp.
Nova shined her bright light so Sparky wouldn't get lost.
Sniff, sniff, went Sparky. I think I know why I'm sneezing.
Just ahead of them was a giant sparkly cloud.
It was a cloud of cosmic dust. The dust floated right under Sparky's metal nose. Oh no! Here comes the biggest sneeze of all!
Ah!
Chewo! The giant sneeze blew all the tickly dust away. But it didn't just blow away, it turned into a rainbow.
Sparky took a deep breath. No tickle.
Nova cheered, clapping her pointy star hands.
The two friends floated gently through their new rainbow galaxy.
Ready for the next adventure and completely sneeze-free.
Did you have fun with tiny learners today? Please give us a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends.
Don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. See you next time!